Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're just out at Lennox Bridge, which is located just at the foot of the Blue Mountains, New South Wales. Maybe like an hour drive from Sydney. Actually just got done shooting a whole bunch of B-roll footage just to make a nice cinematic video. That's what I'm sort of doing today. Also came out to test the Canon 7D Mark II, which I just picked up recently. Gonna give the GoPro head strap a go, see what that looks like. There you go. Well, Lennox Bridge is just down there, but over here is a knapsack reserve, which we'll be going through. Let's walk all the way down this path, and it's good the sun's poking its way through a little bit. It's sort of real gloomy before. Really should have brought me gumboots with me. Oh, it's not good. Water's raging. Now, for those that don't know, the Canon 7D Mark II is renowned and pretty much designed for wildlife, sports photography in general. Insane autofocus. It's still a DSLR. I think it was released in 2014 or 2015, something like that. 20 megapixel APS-C sensor. Yeah, super fast autofocus. I think it's at 61 points or something. Magnesium alloy body, really tough, weather sealed. So in terms of quality, this thing is quite top notch. I mean, I had to get one, you know. So I've still got the R7, which is the mirrorless camera, and that's great too. It's fucking awesome because it's super fast, reliable. It's got the eye tracking. It's, you know, but nothing beats the accomplishment you get from shooting with a camera like this. It just feels mechanical, and you're really involved with the process. It's not as easy. You've got to think about things and plan your composition, and you know. There you go, there's one shot there. Not really sure what that is, but we'll find out. It was just up there on that log. Just had a chat to the gentleman down there about how nice it is out here, and just being in the nature and getting into the bird photography and cameras, and yeah. I think they were also happy to get out of the house, walk their dogs. This is all like a big open clearing. Someone's built themselves a little house under this fallen tree. Anyone home for some coffee? It's getting quite dark now. So the rain might be coming back, which sucks for this camera because doesn't do great with high ISOs. Try and let in enough light. There he is. Oh, he's gone. You really got to be quick with these things, eh? Yeah, well, hopefully some of those shots worked out. Oh, yeah, I've got to bump up the speed a little bit so they're not too blurry. Finally got him. Wow, that was difficult. Just like jumping around everywhere. You've really got to be ready, but look, I think the ISO is going to be very high. 3200. That's not great. Something up in that tree there. It's hard to keep steady. I want him to turn around. Rattle off some shots. This thing's not really discreet. This place is like a dead set playground. Like, there's just so many ways you can go, things to explore. It's pretty cool. Might go into here. Not the best because of that white background. Also, I felt some drops of rain, so I might have to head back. Just gonna make my way back to the car now. It's starting to spit some rain. If I capture anything on the way, I'll throw it up. Also, just let us know in the comments if you liked the head cam or head strap point of view. Thought I'd change it up a little bit, give you guys a different perspective. So on we go. Alright, back in the car now. Time to head home.